Hello there beauties, your girl Euniycemari here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I promise it won't hurt, and thumbs up this video.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there.
So today, you guys, we're going to be talking about contouring, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to contour, or how I'm going to contour. This is kind of like a contour or learn how to contour with me video, because if you guys have been following me for some time, a lot of y'all know I, number one, have never ever have been confident in contouring. It has been something that I have tried, but I haven't really like mastered or practiced, and I feel like I wanted to bring you guys something that I kind of wasn't confident in and kind of share that with you guys, because I'm not perfect at makeup. I'm still learning about a lot of different things with makeup, just like anybody else out there, and I feel like as I'm learning and as I'm opening up my mind and as I'm trying new things, I want to share that with you guys. So contouring has been something that I have been curious about, yet you see all the other girls on YouTube, all the other beauty bloggers, and they're like contouring and it looks really, really nice, but it's something that personally for me I have not been super confident in. So I'm gonna go ahead and give contouring a whack. We're gonna give it a try. I'm gonna try to see if I can look normal and not punched in the face with contouring today. And also I'm gonna put in that practice is key. You want to make sure that you're practicing. If you ever want to get a hold onto something, or you want to master something, just like with the liquid liner, eyeliner, or with the application of foundation, you just want to make sure you are playing around in it and practicing it until you master it or get it down to the level in which you want to accomplish. Okay, so let's get into what contouring is first, because if you got to know what is contouring, what is the basis of contouring, why do women do it, why do makeup artists do it, why is it so important? Contouring pretty much is it kind of gives you that shadow effect. So you know how you have a highlight and a shadow, and that accentuates certain features on the face, and it also can give the illusion of a different face shape. For example, people contour their noses to make it look slimmer, and it's just that shadow to highlight contrast that makes your nose look like a different shape or make something stand out. Contouring and highlighting go hand in hand, because contouring creates shadows and highlights bring forward. For example, cheeks. What we're going to be highlighting, or what we're going to be contouring today, cheeks. You want to contour the jawline here to create a shadow and put a highlight on the cheekbone to make it pop. So it gives your face a different shape. It can make your face look a lot slender. So pretty much contouring and highlight or go hand in hand, or contouring specifically, if you want to zone in on that, that just creates shadows on the face, making certain areas look smaller or changing the form of the face or giving the face more shape. So we're going to contour. I'm going to go ahead and wing it. Now, I'm not like a complete, like, I don't know what the hell contour is. I kind of get a gist of it, but I just think for me personally, I've never been like a fan of it. Like my face, I feel like my face just never really fitted contouring, and it could be the way that I contour. I have more of an oval shaped face, and sometimes my cheeks can be a little bit chubbier from month to month depending. So today's a contour, because I don't have any other contouring products. We're going to be using the Euniycemari palette. If you guys know, I've done a full review on this and a makeup tutorial talking about this and using this. I will leave it up above in the icon for you guys to go and check that out. But I love this palette. So in the Euniycemari palette, she has highlighters and she has contours. So I'm going to be using these today. Now, the ones that I'm going to use for the contour, I believe is Mocha. This one here. I think that is right. This is too deep for me, and this is obviously, I think, too light as a contour. So I'm going to use this as a contour, and Mocha as a contour, and I'm going to use Radiant as a highlight, because I think they kind of go hand in hand. This will be too brown for me, of course, and this will be definitely too like shiny. So I want to go a little bit more natural with my contour. And the thing about contouring is that you want to make sure that you are using a darker color, something that's going to give you that shadow, but you want to make sure it's the right deepness for you. For example, with my skin tone, I wouldn't go this dark because that would be too harsh of a contour for me. It'll look like I got punched in the face, right? And I don't want to go with this color because that is too light. It's not going to show up. It's not going to be any, you know what? It may be, no, that would be too light. Yeah, that would be too light for me for a contour. It won't even show up on skin. This right here is just the in-between. It's darker than my current skin color, which is going to give me that shadow, but it's not super duper like overpowering dark. And I probably could mix the two to kind of get a unique color. I don't know. And then to highlight, you kind of want to do what corresponds with your skin tone. You probably, if you're a darker complected woman, you probably want to go with something like this, or you could actually go with something like this that would give you a little pop on the cheek. So yeah, so contouring is just more so about picking a color or getting a color that is darker, a few shades darker than your natural skin tone to give you that shadow. Don't go too dark because then it'll make you look like you got punched, because I've seen that where girls have too dark of a contour and it's like a little bit too harsh. Another thing is blending. Blending is really important when it comes to contour, so you want to make sure you are blending. All right, you guys, so no more talking, let's jump into this. So for this, I'm going to use a angled brush. This is a BH Cosmetic brush. It has a little bit of an angle on it, like so, and I'm going to use that angle. And I see another technique that go like this, and usually if you suck in like this, where that little indentation starts is where you start to put in your contour. So pretty much I'm just going to take the product and like suck in and go here. Now contouring, you usually go up along here because you want to chisel that cheek. So you just want to follow your natural cheek line and sucking in our jawline. And people contour the jaw too, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that. Don't know. All right, so let's do this. No more talking because I'll be here talking forever because I'm scared. Okay. I'm gonna go into Mocha with my angled brush, just a little bit, just a little bit, and I'm going to suck in. Oh, okay. Okay, so you see that little, it's a lit, like, I don't even think I want to put anymore. Hold on. Okay. And then you want to make sure you're blending it out. And then I'm going to do the actual bottom jawline just a little bit, because I see people usually contour the bottom parts of their jaw. So I'm just going to do the bottom part a little bit. Oh, just a little bit. Okay. I feel like my cheek looks dirty. I think I got the hang of it. Okay, I think I did it. Look, this side, and then we're gonna do the other side. I think I got the hang of it. Okay, I'm confident now. Okay, I think I did it. Yay! Okay, so look, you guys. Okay, so you can see I have a little bit of contour. It's just a little bit. It still looks like I feel like I got punched in. I feel like I look like I got punched in the face still though. But what y'all think? This one, I think I have a little bit more on this side. But, and then usually I see them take it like up here too. So we just gonna be fancy with it. Give the forehead and the side of the face a little bit of some shadow. And that probably completes it a little bit more too, so it's not so cut off. Yay, I think I did it. Okay. Not bad, not bad. Okay, okay, okay. What y'all think? Am I in like swimwear? Okay, so now I'm gonna highlight. I'm gonna take the same brush. I'm gonna go into Radiant And I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this on to the cheek. All right, you guys, so how did I look? Did I achieve the contour and the highlight method? I don't know. It's not bad. I actually like it. It's just that I'm not used to it. Like it just, you can tell like I have like something there. It just looks like I got punched in the face. I don't know. This side I have a little bit more than this side. I actually like my right side a lot better because it looks a little bit more natural, but not bad though. Do I look like I have a slender face? Does my face look slender? Or do I look like I got punched? But yeah, so anyways, you guys, that's just a little bit of contouring and highlighting and just me getting comfortable with it and sharing it with you guys here and even giving you guys tips on it here. And so yeah, if you guys are a master of the highlighter and the contour world, let me know down below. And if you guys also have any tips when it comes to contouring and highlighting, let us know down below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is your girl Euniycemari. Be sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you in a later video. Bye.